Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Navigator L. The Lincoln Navigator L comes in either an RWD or AWD options. This large luxury SUV offers a longer wheelbase than the standard Navigator. With the extra length, carrying a large group in extreme comfort or loads of cargo is no problem at all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, front tow hooks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.